Sean Diddy Combs' legal troubles have taken a shocking turn as new accusations surface, and according to attorney Tony Buzbee, he's not the only one who will face justice. The powerful figures tied to these crimes could leave you speechless, as Buzbee promises the reveal of names that will shock you. So, who else could be involved? Let's dive into this unraveling scandal. In a bombshell press conference held in Houston, attorney Tony Buzbee laid out staggering new allegations against Sean Diddy Combs and warned that the notorious music mogul is just one of many powerful people who will be named in connection to these disturbing accusations. Buzbee, representing over 100 alleged victims, stated that he will soon expose a long list of individuals who participated in or enabled the alleged sexual misconduct taking place at Combs' parties. The day will come when we will name names other than Sean Combs, and there's a lot of names, Buzbee emphasized, leaving the public eager and anxious about who might be next. According to Buzbee, the other alleged perpetrators are just as high-profile and well-known as Combs, which only intensifies the anticipation surrounding the case. The press conference shed light on decades of alleged criminal activity tied to Combs' infamous white parties and other gatherings. According to the allegations, these events became a hub for horrific crimes, where drugs and violence were used to control and exploit victims, many of whom were minors. Buzbee pointed out that 25 of the victims were underage at the time of the alleged assaults, with the youngest being just 9 years old. Buzbee's team also revealed disturbing details, including evidence of drugs like horse tranquilizers being found in the victims' systems after attending these parties, making this case even more complex. Allegedly, Combs used these substances to incapacitate his victims before the assaults occurred. Federal agents, upon raiding Combs' properties, reportedly uncovered an arsenal of evidence, including narcotics, firearms, and over 1,000 bottles of lubricant, further implicating him in a web of illegal activities. Buzbee also warned the enablers and bystanders involved, urging them to come forward before they are exposed. He hinted that many people, possibly celebrities and influential figures, are very nervous as this case unfolds, suggesting that some may be trying to delete incriminating evidence. The attorney made it clear that this investigation is far-reaching and will not stop at just Sean Combs. Lawsuits will soon be filed across multiple states, with the names of more perpetrators to be revealed. This growing list of defendants raises serious questions about the extent of the alleged misconduct and who else could be implicated in this ever-widening scandal. On the other side, Sean Combs' legal team has remained steadfast in his defense. His lawyer, Erica Wolf, issued a strong statement denying all allegations, categorizing them as false and defamatory. Wolf emphasized that Combs looks forward to proving his innocence in court, where she claims the truth will emerge based on evidence rather than speculation. Despite these reassurances, Combs currently faces nearly a dozen lawsuits accusing him of sexual and physical abuse, and his recent arrest on charges of racketeering conspiracy, sex trafficking, and other serious crimes only complicates his legal situation further. While Combs has pleaded not guilty, prosecutors paint a grim picture of his alleged criminal enterprise, claiming that he used his power and wealth to coerce, threaten, and abuse victims for decades. The accusations span a range of violent actions, from kidnapping and forced labor to drug-fueled sex parties dubbed freak-offs, where Combs allegedly subjected victims to horrific physical, emotional, and verbal abuse. With the gravity of these accusations and the potential for even more shocking names to be exposed, the case against Sean Diddy Combs is far from over. If convicted, Combs faces a minimum sentence of 15 years in prison, but the ramifications of this case extend beyond him, potentially upending the lives of other influential figures in Hollywood and the music industry. The allegations against Sean Diddy Combs are only the beginning of what could become one of the biggest scandals in recent history. With more names set to be revealed, the question is, who will go down next? What do you think about these shocking developments? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates as this story unfolds.